If this is the first time in the personal whiteboard, you might be wondering, how do I get started? What are my first steps? And really the first thing is to go into your app, or once you're in your app, is to click on that hamburger menu right up here, and that's going to drop down what we call the Blendification menu, and you'll see the item here called Get Started. And if you click on Get Started, that's going to take you into the code block. So what is the code block? I'm going to go back home. And when you go back home, you'll see that there's a series of blocks on the personal whiteboard. And the first one is the code block. So if you go back into this hamburger menu, Get Started, you're in the code block, but you're in the virtual coach part of the code block. There's a virtual coach for every block on the personal whiteboard, which consists of several videos to help you go through the personal whiteboard. So the first one is the virtual coach, and this is really just the tutorial. So if you can see here, there's a series of tutorial videos, tutorial 1, tutorial 2, 3, 4, right there, and tutorial 5. And you can watch those, and that's going to give you an overview on how to get started in the app. Below that is a series of introduction videos, introduction 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if you're also using the strategy whiteboard, some of these overlap. In fact, all of them overlap except for introduction 3. So you might just want to watch introduction 3. That's different than what you've seen in the strategy whiteboard. So that's how you get started in the personal whiteboard. And anytime you're stuck, you can go back and hit home, and that's where and that is in the hamburger menu, and you can navigate around there.